Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. I've got some questions in the past of how I day trade and just how I go about it day to day, what apps I use, how I backtest my strategies, and just everything that a day trader does. I made a little video listing my 4 favorite applications that I use and how I learned to trade that I think are very crucial to just know for day traders. So I really do hope you enjoy this video and let's get right into it. So first off, I hope you know TradingView. TradingView is honestly the most advanced, best charting systems that they have on the market, as I know from my experience at least. It's honestly the best platform to even like get started on. You can also backtest on this, but it is a paid plan, of course, but it is a cheaper alternative to the second option I'm going to show you right after this. TradingView prices aren't as bad of a price. They are a bit on the pricey side, but do keep in mind I am Canadian, so these are Canadian prices, not US, because I know majority of my viewers are from the US. At the start, you don't need a paid platform. The only reason you would need at least the essential platform, the $23 a month Canadian, is if you want advanced charting and to have a bit more indications, like indicators on your charts. But again, if you're just starting out, I can guarantee you do not need this, so save your money. But if you do want to go ahead and kickstart your process, I'll have a TradingView link in the description. Now, secondly, very important, this is honestly going to be like the make or break if you are successful or not in the market, is backtesting your strategies. I honestly suggest FXReplay. I used to use TradingView Replay, but you can only go back a certain amount of dates. FXReplay can go back years and years back. So you have plenty of data to backtest and it's always like new info instead of TradingView being constantly repeated since you can't go back that far. Honestly, I'm not even like affiliate marketing with FXReplay. I just honestly do believe that they are a very good platform to use. And if you do want to backtest strategies, I highly recommend them, my honest opinion. Okay, for number 3, Topstep. Guys, if you don't have the capital, and I mean like 5K to 10K capital to trade, because trading is a very expensive business. If you don't have the capital, go with Topstep. Just do me a favor because you trading 100 to $1,000 is gonna get you like maybe $5 to $10 in profits, and you're not gonna get anywhere with that. But I do have a solution for that, so just stay tuned to the next step. But think about it. For Top Step, so you have a monthly plan of $67 every single month until you can make $3,000 without losing 2,000 in total. Then you will be eligible to trade with $50,000. There is a one-time fee of $250, I believe. And then once you pay that, you don't have a monthly fee and you don't have any more fees left. You just trade as it's your 50,000 in your account. So again, if you don't have 50,000 of your own money to deposit and trade, Topstep is a very good alternative. But if you don't like the funded method, then I would suggest HeroFX. Reason for that is you can trade your own money and you can trade a very small amount, like maximum $100 in your account, and you can get some pretty big gains on it. Like with $100, with a very good gain, you can maybe make 20 bucks off it, which is not bad for the amount that you have in the account. Do keep in mind that it is an offshore broker, so they are not regulated by the US and they can pretty much do whatever they want. But HeroFX has been around for quite a while and I have used them in the past, so I do have some trust with them. But again, use it at your own discretion. And there's no fees, no monthly subscriptions, completely free. And it also comes with a broker. So I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see in the next video.